Hi everyone! Today we'll be learning about idioms. English idioms are an important part of our everyday English. They come up all the time in both written and spoken English. Because idioms don't always make sense literally, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the meaning and usage of each idiom. That may seem like a lot of work, but it's going to be fun. For each idiom, I'm going to explain what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Alright, let's get into the video. Back to square one. It means having to start something all over again. Let me give you an example. My homework got lost. Now I'm back to square one. It's raining cats and dogs. This means it's raining heavily. Let me give you an example. It's raining cats and dogs in my area. Piece of cake. It's used to say when something is very easy to do. Let me give you an example. I love to draw the scenery for you. It will be a piece of cake. To sleep like a log, meaning to get a very deep sleep, so much so that one isn't disturbed easily. An example: after the first week of football practice, I slept like a log. Build castle in the air, meaning to create ideas that are impractical, unlikely, and impossible. Example: you should just stop building castles in the air and take your studies seriously. Class clown. It means a student who tries to make other students laugh. Let me give you an example. Today I met my school teacher and I'm surprised to know that she still remembers me as the class clown. All ears, meaning very excited to hear, paying special attention to hear something. Let me give you an example. The students were all ears when the teacher started telling a horror story. As easy as ABC. It means something is very easy. Example: learning to use an iPad is as easy as ABC. Busy as a bee, meaning to be very active and working hard at something. Example: she is as busy as a bee in the morning. A little bird told me means someone told me a secret. Example: how did you know it was my birthday? A little bird told me. As keen as mustard. It means very excited and keen. Example: my little sister is always as keen as mustard to learn new things around her. Call it a day, meaning time to quit. Example: I think we have done enough work today. I'm feeling tired now. Let's call it a day. Add fuel to the fire. It means to add more to an existing problem. Example: Mom is already very angry. Don't add fuel to the fire by doing what she doesn't like. Cool as a cucumber, meaning to be very calm under stress. Example: he was as cool as a cucumber while under pressure in his office. Crack a book. It means open up a book and study. Example: Just crack open a book and try to relax. Crocodile tears. It means to pretend to be upset. Example: I never got a sincere apology from her. Only a lot of excuses and crocodile tears. To chicken out. It means not doing an activity because of fear. Let me give you an example. I was going to go bungee jumping, but I chickened out. Fish out of water. It means being somewhere you don't belong. Example: when Danny first moved to the big city from the countryside, he was like a fish out of water. Cold feet, meaning be nervous. An example: he got cold feet at the last minute. Give it a shot. It means to try to do something. Example: I have never been very good at basketball, but I will give it a shot. Hope it was fun learning idioms. Do practice it and use it in your everyday speech. Thank you. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Kidsy series and press the bell icon for notifications. Also, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much.